Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to forward sent media on the WhatsApp app for PC using the latest update. Whether you want to resend photos, videos, or files that you've already shared, this quick guide will walk you through every step clearly and easily. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Once it's open, head to the left side menu and click on the media icon. This icon helps you manage all the media files you've sent and received in one place, so you don't have to scroll endlessly through chat histories. Next, under the media section, choose media again to view all the files available. You'll now see your recent photos, videos, and documents neatly organized. But here's where the new update makes things even smoother. At the top of the window, you'll notice a sort icon. Click on it. From the options that appear, choose You. This action filters out everything else and shows only the media that you have sent. No need to guess or dig through others' files. Now, look up at the top of the window once more and click on the Select icon. This feature allows you to pick exactly which items you want to forward. Go ahead and select all the media files you'd like to share again. You can select one, a few, or even all of them, totally up to you. After selecting, find the forward icon and click on it. A new window will open where you can choose your recipients. This can be personal chats, group chats, or even multiple contacts at once. Once you've selected your recipients, simply hit send. And that's it. You've successfully forwarded your own sent media on WhatsApp for PC using the updated interface. It's fast, organized, and much easier than before. If this helped you, go ahead and share it with someone who might find it useful too. Thanks for watching.